So stop whatever you're doing because it's time to go shopping, and at the same time you can save yourself a lot of money because the great summer sale on Amazon is back, and this would be the best and the perfect opportunity for you to grab yourself your favorite STARVIS-2 backdash camera. That being said, in this video, I'm going to show you the top 9 cameras coming under the price bracket of 10,000 and the 20,000 price segment. So in this video, take a look at the top 9 cameras, select your favorite one and go ahead and grab it with some amazing discounts right up on Amazon. That being said, do note that I'll provide you the links from both Flipkart and Amazon in the description below. So in the text description, you will get the Amazon links. In the direct image description, you will get the Flipkart link. So do not confuse between those two. And if you are someone who prefers to buy from Amazon, do check down the text description below the video. You'll get all the Amazon links right there. That being said, let's not waste any more of your time and jump in straight into the video to show you the top 9 STARVIS-2 cameras which you can buy in the month of May 2025. Let's get started. Starting off the list with the cheapest and the most popular budget STARVIS-2 camera, the 70mm M200. Now this dash camera comes with a STARVIS-2 IMX662 sensor, and it also supports full HD with HDR. It gets an aperture size of f1.8, gets voice control, gets Wi-Fi, and also gets optional parking mode with an additional hardware kit. Now this camera also supports 128GB memory cards. So this camera usually trends at 5,000 rupees, but in this Amazon sale the price is gonna be dropping a bit more. So do make sure to check out the 70mm M200. You cannot get a better budget dash camera, or should I say there is no other budget dash camera with a STARVIS-2 sensor. Moving on to the next option, I'm talking about the 70mm A510 front only, or should I say the single channel variant. Now this dash camera gets a STARVIS-2 IMX675 sensor, can shoot 1944p, that's close to 4K resolution with HDR. It also gets ADAS, GPS, Wi-Fi, gets f1.8 aperture with a field of view of 140 degrees. It also supports parking mode, gets a 2-inch screen, and also supports 256GB memory card. Now this is one of the most popular and the highest selling cameras currently on Amazon. And if you're someone who doesn't want to cross the 10,000 price margin, and if you're okay with just getting a single channel variant, the A510 would definitely be your ideal choice. Moving on to the next best option, coming close to 11,000 rupees, should I say, I'm talking about the Qubo Pro 3K dual channel variant. So this is a newly launched variant with a STARVIS-2 sensor. So Qubo had a previous 3K model without the STARVIS-2, but with the power of STARVIS-2, Qubo has refined this particular dash cam. And if you have a budget of about 11 to 12,000 rupees, I mean, Qubo 3K is a definite blind choice. And of course, you can get some additional extra huge discount if you do purchase on the Dashcam Insider.in website. I'll give you the link for that website as well in the description below. So just check out the description, and of course you can apply the coupon code Gizmobeep to get that particular discount. The best thing about this camera is that this gets a super capacitor and also has a storage space compatibility of up to 1 TB. So this means unlimited storage, practically unlimited. Just go out on your long drives and forget about the videos getting deleted. Moving on to the next option, the next best option within that 15,000 segment, I must say, I'm talking about the A510 dual channel variant. Now we just spoke about the front only variant. Well, the dual channel variant just adds up to the front only by adding a rear camera. Now the rear camera shoots a full HD resolution with all the goodness that the front camera brings in. So the dual channel variant generally trends at about 13 to 14,000 rupees. So you might get it at a much lesser price in the sale. So do make sure to check out the A510, since this is one of the most popular and the highest selling dual channel dashcam currently in India right now. I have personally tried and tested out the A510 and it's simply flawless. The video quality is unmatched. There is no other camera that can provide you the imaging solution, the kind of video quality the A510 provides for you. Moving on to the fifth dashcam in this list, well, this comes slightly lesser priced than the A510 Dual. I'm talking about the VIOFO A810 Mini 2. Now this was the powerhouse, and this was like the one of the pioneers of bringing STARVIS-2 setup to a budget segment, less than 15K segment. The only concern with the A810 Mini 2 is that this is a front only model. It would have been simply perfect if this was a dual channel setup, but nevertheless, if you are someone who is looking for a front only camera and you want a super small sized, super compact sized dashcam, you cannot beat the A810 Mini 2. It comes pretty much within the palm of a hand, so easily concealable, and you can basically practically conceal it behind the internal rear view mirror and you won't be able to recognize there's even a dash camera mounted on your windshield. Also, this gets all the super important features most of the other VIOFO cameras bring forward. Some of the most advanced features such as buffered parking recording and also some in-depth settings available for this camera really set the A119 Mini 2 apart. Now, of course, instead of Amazon, if you do purchase using my affiliate link and purchase it directly from the VIOFO website, you can get additional 1000 rupee refund if you purchase by paying via UPI. So that's a wonderful news and something which you can consider if you are planning on buying the A119 Mini 2. Moving on to the next dash cam. So this has been one of the recently launched camera from REDTIGER and has been a segment disruptor because this gives you the power of STARVIS-2, gives you the power of 4K and also gives you a dual channel setup, all in coming at a price of close to 15 to 16,000 rupees. I'm talking about the REDTIGER F7 and Elite, and you must know that I've made superb, amazing detailed review videos on this particular camera and of course all the other cameras which I've spoken about till now. So do make sure to check out the detailed video. Now do note that this camera gives you the power of a 4K resolution packed with a STARVIS-2 sensor. The rear camera shoots 1080p and the video quality of the F7 and Elite both from the front and the rear cameras is pretty good for the price, and it is something worth considering if you're planning on buying a STARVIS-2 backed 4K dash camera at a price range of about 15 to 16k. There is no other 4K STARVIS-2 camera coming within that range, so that's something really to consider and that's something worth minding before you actually make that purchase decision. That being said, the other nearest camera which can come within that price range is the mirror dash camera from 70mm. I'm talking about the 70mm S500. Now this shoots at 3K, that's 1944p resolution, gets a STARVIS-2 sensor, and of course it is a mirror camera, which means you get a super large display and of course you can mount the camera at the rear which can assist you while taking reverse. Now the S500, I've tried and tested this camera extensively and of course I've made a lot of videos on the S500 as well. So in terms of the UI, in terms of the user friendliness of this particular dash cam, in terms of the video quality and in terms of the display, it's simply slick. I mean, at a price of about 16 to 17,000 rupees, this mirror camera is kind of the cheapest mirror camera with a STARVIS-2 sensor and of course lives up to the expectation of any other mirror dash cam. That being said, moving on to the next dash cam, I'm talking about the VIOFO A229 Plus front only variant. Now this generally trends at a price of 19,999, so do make sure to check out the website, check out the link which I've given in the description for the updated price. So what the A229 Plus gives you is a quad HD resolution with a STARVIS-2 sensor with a large display and of course all the premium features that VIOFO offers. But of course the point to note is that this is a single channel variant, but the good news is that you can always purchase a rear camera separately whenever you find it convenient and just plug it in with the front camera, converting your front only to a dual channel variant. And this is not where the good news ends. You can always purchase the interior camera as well, the cabin camera, and attach it to your existing dual channel setup, converting your dual channel into a triple channel one. So what you can do is just buy the front only version first if you are financially very restrained, and once you are financially free you can buy the rear camera or even the cabin camera, converting your front only into a dual or a triple channel setup. And that's superb. The VIOFO A229 Plus is kind of a younger brother of the VIOFO A229 Pro and offers almost similar features except for the resolution part. So in terms of getting premium features, in terms of getting super high good parking monitoring features and all the other in-depth settings of the dash camera which you can ever possibly imagine, the A229 Plus is simply a close your eyes and shut deal. Do check out the link in the description. I've given you my affiliate link for the VIOFO website. It must be really good. That being said, moving on to the last dashcam in this list, one of the most popular dashcams since it launched and still kind of holding its own. I'm talking about the 70mm A810. Should I say it's the king of 4K budget dashcams because this was the first and probably the cheapest 4K dashcam, native 4K dashcam which came with a STARVIS-2 sensor. So this gets a STARVIS-2 IMX678, shoots native 4K resolution with HDR, gets a 3-inch screen, gets a field of view of 150 degrees, gets GPS, gets f1.8 aperture, ADAS, Wi-Fi, gets 70mm app support, and of course supports parking monitoring via HARDWIRE KIT. And of course many of you have even opted for this camera and still using it, and should I say this camera has turned out to be one of the most reliable cameras from 70mm. And even the long-term usage, the long-term review of this camera is also really good. So coming at a price of about 19,999 and with some extra discount in the going on summer sale, should offer you one of the finest qualities you can ever see within that budget range. And if you're someone who really prefers to have a native 4K, a true 4K resolution with STARVIS-2 with HDR, there is no other match to the A810. All in all, within that budget range, this camera is right at the top in terms of its front camera video quality. And of course, it gets GPS, Wi-Fi and all the other features which I just mentioned. You can have a blast when you have the A810 at about 20k rupees. So these were the top 9 cameras, top 9 dash cams which get the STARVIS-2 sensor, and all of these cameras come under the price bracket of 10,000 and 20,000 rupees. So do not waste any more of your time. Go ahead and grab any one of these cameras and you shouldn't go wrong. I mean, why buy any camera without STARVIS-2 in 2025? Doesn't make sense now, does it? So go ahead, check down on the description. I've given the links from both Flipkart and Amazon. The text description below contain all the Amazon links, and all the pictures popping up below the video are all the Flipkart links. So purchase from any platform which you prefer to, but do make sure to purchase it within this Amazon sale duration, because you can save yourself a lot of money. That being said, if you have any queries about any of these cameras, just write that down in the comments. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. And if this video has helped you out in any way, I'm quite sure it has, go ahead, hit that subscribe button of my channel right now, smash that like button and share this video with all your friends who are looking to buy a dash camera within this Amazon sale. I'll be following up this video with another video showing you all the premium dash cameras which get a STARVIS-2 sensor, which get a lot more premium features than what we just saw right now. So do make sure to check out that video. Do stay tuned to Gizmobeep and have a blast getting some new stuff in this Amazon sale. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.